Let's close our eyes for a moment and allow ourselves to turn within. With each breath, we release all thoughts, feelings, any discomfort, any disturbances that do not serve us right now. And we just arrive into the here and now. On the in-breath, we turn our focus, our attention within, inward and upward. We allow ourselves to move into oneness. Oneness with God's loving presence, with all its wonderful qualities of harmony, love, peace, compassion, generosity, prosperity. With every breath, we move deeper into this oneness, allowing this loving energy to embrace us, to hold us, to heal us on all levels of consciousness. I focus my attention on peace. I envision harmony, and I share my peaceful prayer with the world. I know that peace begins with me and radiates from me. God's everlasting peace rests in my heart. I hold a higher perspective and prayerfully envision a world in peace. With every breath I take, I allow this peace to radiate from me and through me. I allow this peace to embrace the world. I am grateful. Just take a big breath and then open your eyes.